how to view all media you have shared with someone on Instagram DM. Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you view all of the media you have shared with someone on Instagram DM. So let's get started. On this process, at first you'll have to open the application Instagram with your account. Alright, so after you open the app with your account, you'll got such interface. So from here, you'll have to tap on the message icon just at the top right corner. Alright, so from here you'll have to choose the specific DM or conversation you want to extract all of the media you have shared with that person. So simply I am selecting this one. Alright, so after you open the DM or conversation, you'll be able to see such interface. So from here you'll have to go the option eye icon just at the top right corner, so you can easily find the option on your device. So right now I'm not getting the option on my device, so in your case you might be finding that option. So after you tap on that option, you'll be able to see your options like view all media. So from there you'll have to go that option, and from there you can easily view all of the media you have shared with that person on Instagram DM. So this is the easiest and simplest method. Hope you found this video helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video.